What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be breaking down the iPad Pro 2021. We're going to be talking about the price, the release date, and all the features. So everything that you need to know. Rumors are saying that Apple will release the iPad Pro 2021 this April, but who knows? Apple is acting so weird in 2020 and in 2021, so we might see it pushed back later on the year next to the AirTags and next to the iPad mini Pro. There will be two sizes, the 11-inch, which is expected to cost $749, and the 12.9-inch, which is expected to cost $999. We will have a very similar design to the iPad Pro 2020 with slimmer bezels, fewer speaker holes, and the camera bump may protrude less. It is finally expected to come with a mini LED display, which would mean three things. One, that it would improve contrast. Two, that the blacks would be darker. And three, that the white would be brighter. The iPhone 12 series came with 5G, so the iPad Pro 2021 is also expected to come with 5G for the cellular models. Let me know in the comments down below, by the way, if you guys have the Wi-Fi or the cellular version. Apple is expected to switch from Thunderbolt to USB-C, which would make the iPad Pro have faster data syncing with external monitors and hard drive. If it comes with the M1 chip, like I have on my MacBook Air, it's gonna be absolutely insane. If Apple does all of this, if Apple adds 5G, if Apple adds the M1 chip, if Apple adds Thunderbolt, Apple, please release the Pro apps, the apps that we've been waiting on forever. Please add, for me, Final Cut Pro, and for the musicians, Logic Pro. Please, like, this would make me replace my iPad completely. It's something that I absolutely just need on my iPad. I would seriously do anything for it.
Anything like anything? Anything?
Yes.
Would you pay $300 for it?
Yeah.
Would you jump off a cliff for it?
Yeah.
Would you stop having sex for it?
No, you're taking this a little bit too far.
You are stupid and ugly.
Siri, now you're just being rude like always, and it's just starting to be very annoying. We also got an Apple Pencil 3 leak, shows that Apple could be moving back to a shiny design, and a patent way back on 2020 shows that Apple could be implementing color sampling on the Apple Pencil 3, which is just absolutely insane for designers and illustrators. Just imagine having a color palette, or just imagine seeing a fun color, literally putting your Apple Pencil on top of that color and then drawing. That would totally change the game for illustrators, for designers. I personally love it. Apple's also planning to release a brand new Magic Keyboard, which is something that I really like. The Magic Keyboard is something that just totally changes the way that you use your iPad. I love it, but there's so many features that lack if you compare them to other keyboards. A tab bar, play and pause button, the volume button. I need the iPad to, totally flip. There's so many features that Apple could add to the keyboard. Maybe lower the price a bit, just a little bit.
You are poor. Why do you want it to be cheaper?
Because it's so expensive. One thing that Apple is probably not going to do is add more accessories to the iPad Pro lineup. But luckily, that's where today's sponsor comes in, which is ESR. ESR has some amazing cases for the iPad Pro. Starting off with the Sentry protective case, it's of course compatible with the iPad Pro. It supports 9 stable stand angles with powerful magnets that keep the stand locked in place. It's got a rugged, shock-resistant polymer that provides robust protection against scratches and drops, and it's also equipped with a pencil holder and specially designed red edge that supports with the Apple Pencil 2 with wireless charging. And then we've got the Ascend trifold case. It's got a front cover that protects against scratches while remaining very slim. It's got a magnetic trifold stand that supports both viewing and writing modes. One tip that I'm going to give to all the students out there is there are so many cases like this one that can hold your Apple Pencil, or in my case the Logitech Crayon, which is a great stylus. You can also hold a pen, because us as students, we always need pens, pencils. You've got it right here. So this is the ESR case, absolutely amazing cases. Hit the link down in the description if you guys want to pick one up. So that's pretty much it for everything. That's the entire breakdown on what we can expect from the iPad Pro 2021, including the release date, the price, and all the features that we could expect. Plus some, of course, we're gonna have a surprise from Apple from a certain feature that we are not expecting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.
Have a great day, Lemon Fam.
Thank you, Siri. Peace.